Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. I recently visited India, my home country. Just wanted to share some of the sights, but first, I would like you to meet my lovely parents. She's my mom, and this is my father. India is such a wonderful place to visit or to live. I grew up in one of the major metropolitan cities called Chennai in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is the southern part of India. We speak Tamil here. Did you know that in India there are so many languages? Yes, there are 22 major languages in India. Each state has its own language. As I told you in my last video, I'm going to announce the winner of my guessing game at the end of this video. There are so many places to visit in Chennai. First, I would like to take you to a holy place, St. Thomas Mount, where St. Thomas died. A beautiful church was built on the top of the mountain. There are also steps if you want to climb up the mountain on foot. They have a statue for Mother Teresa too. You can see the city from here. Looks so beautiful. It is a major spiritual and tourist site for people in India as well as people from abroad. This is an open-air stage meant for public worship. It's very close to Chennai International Airport. This is the Chennai Municipal Building, also called the Ribbon Building, and is located near the Chennai Central Railway Station. Now I'm taking you guys to Elliott's Beach, which is in Besant Nagar. It is 10 in the morning, so there are no shops set up yet for all the visitors who will come later. This will be very busy only after 4 p.m. Right now there are just fishermen finishing their day on the ocean. The waves make a nice soothing sound. You can sit and enjoy it, but it's too hot to stay for too long. Now we are going to Annai Velangani Shrine, that is Virgin Mary Church. It's on the beach. This is one of the most famous churches in Chennai. This is Gandhi Memorial Park, Adyar. This is one of the many malls in Chennai. I'm going to meet my friends here. Whenever I visit Chennai, I never forget to meet them. Friends are one of the most important parts of my life. You can get different kinds of food. This is called paper masala dosa, which is very famous in Chennai. Looks so delicious and it tastes yummy too. This is chola bhatura and this is stuffed paratha. This is inside of another building. It is just one huge store. They sell everything from fine jewelry to furniture to groceries and pots and pans. You get all this in one shop. See how tall it is? You get a beautiful view from here. It's time to announce the winners of my guessing game. Thanks to everyone who participated. I really appreciate you all playing along. The winners are Magic Touch Recipes, Cookery and Craft Channel, and Taj Kitchen. Congratulations! I had a great time with my family, even though it was a very short vacation. Now it's time to say goodbye, but I'm taking all the wonderful memories with me. I'm going to miss you, Chennai, but see you soon. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.